I've replaced a couple of these thermostats before. This is where the thermostat is. You have a big line coming out from the radiator and it comes into the engine block. Right underneath this housing here is where the thermostat sits. On a Jeep it's pretty much identical. Here is a Chevy. By comparison, you can find the main radiator hose coming into the engine block, follow that to where it goes in, and down there you go. This one's only 2 bolts. The thermostat is hiding right behind that housing down there. 24 valve Cummins. I think my thermostat is out. You're gonna want an 8mm. There's 3 bolts. There, one over here. This is the old thermostat. So I'd kind of like to point out this rubber gasket is like it's really shrank compared to the new one. It's thin, it looks a little brittle, it's not broken anywhere, but I suspect that was probably causing a leak. How I knew it was going out is my heater wouldn't work. It's kind of cold right now. My heater was taking like a half an hour to even get close to getting hot enough, so I think that it was just running the fluid too fast through the radiator, or constantly running it through the radiator, so it was constantly getting cool. It wasn't having enough time to sit in the engine and heat up. In the summertime you'd basically have the opposite problem, because the thermostat would be letting all the hot water out into the radiator, and the radiator wouldn't be keeping it long enough to actually cool it. This truck has been through a lot in the last couple of months. I own a construction company and it's been my workhorse. It's what I used to haul the trailers and run around town and everything. But normally I build fire pits, I build barn doors, I build outdoor kitchens, I do carpentry, I've done a lot of framing, and those are more what these videos are about typically. So if you're interested in any of that, please check out some of my other videos, and thanks for watching.